In previous class we discussed the topic, physical properties of soil. Sandy soil. It is rough when rubbed between fingers. Clay soil. Clay soil is slippery and sticky when wet. Loamy soil. It is very rich in humus. It is, therefore, fertile and best for farming. The property of any soil type is what makes it different from others. In today's class we will be discussing the topic, physical properties of soil 2. Soil texture. This deals with the various sizes of particles that makes up of the particular soil in question. Clay soil particles are closely packed together while sandy soil is loose. Soil structure. This refers to the way particles of soil are arranged to allow space between them. It is used to refer to how individual particles are arranged or structured. Soil porosity. This term is used to refer to how freely water can flow in soil particles. Good and healthy soil have many pores between and within the particles. Soil color. Clay soil is reddish while loamy appears blackish. All the properties listed above properties are what makes the soil different from each other. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.